If you're tired of trying to change yourself but you just can't, this video has found you for a reason. We're gonna build your own personalized alter ego, and I'll take you through the exact same 5 steps that I did to find mine. Hello friends, my name is Abi, and in this video I don't want to talk a lot about why you should create an alter ego, but one thing I want to mention why you should do it is because you can separate yourself with an alter ego from your past. For example, if you have some trauma or like really bad experiences that you always connect with yourself and you kind of fall into that victim mindset, this is a great way because this alter ego doesn't have that. Okay, and if you ask yourself, is this alter thing even a thing? Like, does that even work? Beyonce did that. She became Sasha Fierce on stage. This alter ego doesn't need to be you 24/7. For example, I can't approach people really well. So when I want to approach somebody, I'm not gonna approach this person as Zabi. I can't do that. My alter ego, she's gonna do that for me because she can approach people so well. Or for example, I don't know, group introduction. Oh my god. Ugh. When we're in a group and I need to introduce myself, I'm not gonna do it. She's gonna do that for me. Step 1. Grab a pen and a paper. Where's your paper? Step 1 is to identify what you want to change or what this person should have. So a really great approach to that is, what qualities would you like to have? What is something you don't like about yourself? And your alter ego would be the opposite of that. When I'm on networking events, I make myself really down and I make myself really small and I just be like fake busy because I'm actually kind of scared that no one is gonna approach me, and because I can't approach people. So I really hope that people are gonna approach me, but if they are not gonna approach me, I seem like kind of lonely. And then I'm just being like just fake busy, you know? So what I want her to have is to be like the complete opposite of me. She just walks in that room, she looks around without a phone, like her phone is in the pocket, she just smiles, and then if no one comes to approach her, she's just gonna go to the group and says hello because she's not afraid of rejection. You can also use this approach when you're a person that really procrastinates a lot. For example, you're in your bed and you're just scrolling right now and you want to stop, but you just can't bring yourself to stop, and then boom, you're gonna turn on the alter ego and she thinks, why am I even scrolling right now? Or what makes you anxious or insecure? She can be the exact opposite of that. What do you avoid because you're afraid of doing that? Step 2. Woo! Find your inspiration. Who are your favorite celebrities, movie characters, or fictional characters in books? Friends? It could be also people in your life that you look up to. After you found the people that really inspire you, what does these people have that do so? What traits do they have that make you look up to them? What I really like about Zendaya is she radiates so much confidence, and I want my alter ego to have that too. I'm blah blah blah. I'm telling myself so many stories why I'm not confident or why I can't be confident, but my alter ego, she can be confident. So after you found the people you really admire, analyze them. What do you like about them? Is it the way they talk? Is it the way they dress? Is it the way they do their makeup, the hair, or just how other people look up to them? What is it that you really like about this person? How do you want people to see me? Step 3. So the things we wrote down right now, we're gonna split them into external and internal things. Internal would be beliefs, values, your mindset. The mindset of my alter ego would be everything is always working out for her, and like money comes to her really easily and people want to be around her because she has such a good energy. And external, the way you walk, the way you dress, the way you do your makeup, your hair, how's your posture, and how you talk to people. And one thing I want to mention is that actually you don't need these external things. Have you heard about that story where Marilyn was in New York and no one recognized her, but then she turned to that person, I don't know what person this was actually, but she said to that person, do you want to see me become her? And this person just said yes to her, and then Marilyn just like this, switched herself into her alter ego, and then suddenly people were slowing down and starting to recognize her just because she just changed something in her energy, even though she looked exactly the same like 5 minutes ago and no one realized that it was her. Step 4. Oh, step 4 is the step where you're gonna give your alter ego a name, and I'm gonna tell you some example names, or like names I find really cool. Maybe you can inspire yourself from that. Valencia Blaze, Serena, Isla Rose, Jade Strong, Quinn Whale, Ive Blaze, Jasper Gray, Luna Blair, Aria Brooks, Willow Jameson. Oh, also I'm gonna go to Japan in 3 weeks, and I'm gonna go alone, and I thought maybe I should give myself a different name for that time, because why not? No one knows me there. But the thing is, if I really gonna meet some people that I want to connect with, how should I explain to them?
Oh, sorry, my name's not Jasmine. Actually, it's Zabi.
Like, how should I explain it to them?
Yeah, you know, I was just my alter ego right now.
I'm not sure if I should do it. Let me know in the comments. So the next step is to think about a thing that will wake this person up. On. It could be lip gloss, it could be sunglasses, it could be normal glasses, it could be a perfume, it could be something you wear in your bag, it could be anything you like. 5 is the fun part, because you can now create an alter ego board. Something like a vision board, just for your alter ego. So I made my list, and now I'm gonna go to Pinterest to search for some nice pictures. Aesthetic. And I'm actually gonna do it digital because I think that's easier to show. For each thing I wrote down, I'm gonna save 1 to 2 pictures. Ooh, this one just screams confidence. So if your alter ego has a name, I personally would just write the name in the middle and then put the pictures all next to it. I'm gonna separate it into internal and external, kind of like this, or maybe like this. I don't know. My alter ego has really pretty hair. Oh, I don't know where I should put it. Money finds her really easily, and it's not hard to work for money, so success is so easy for her. But I like Zendaya's hair to be in front. Yeah! Oh my god, it looks so good! And just watch, I always win. Of course I do, because I'm cool. Should I have, could I have, would I have? I did approach those people. This is also for the energy. The energy, babe. Business. Business, honey. Business. No, this is not what I wanted to do. My god. Yeah, we're getting there, honey. Ooh. This is how I would create my alter ego's board. I like it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Boom, perfect. We have her. Yay! But how can we actually become her? First, we're not trying to pretend to be that person, we become that person. It's really practice. So it's not like this and then you become her. It's that you really need to practice that. Easiest way to start is when you start in your room and when you're by yourself. For example, when you do your skincare, when you do your morning routine, and then slowly work yourself under people. So do it, for example, while taking a walk or while being in the train. But at first, just start really small where no one sees you, because you really need to practice this turn off and turn on. So when you're on a walk, just be yourself and then be her. Be yourself and be her. That you can really also feel that energy shift. I have another idea, because you could also start a complete new journal just for this person. So when you want to journal, this journal is only for this person. So you can only write in this journal when you are this person. And if you don't know how to start journaling, I'm just gonna link the video up there. There. And if you have a hard time becoming that person, I personally would also go to a different city, if you can, just for the weekend, or for example, or if you're gonna go to Japan for your vacation, and then practice becoming that person. I think it's so much easier. Before you go to sleep, you can also start visualizing her and how she would handle different situations in your life. Not you, how you would handle it, but how she would handle it from her mindset. And then you like slowly getting the practical thing, you know, like getting, yeah. You can also have not just one alter ego, but many alter egos, but I think this is gonna be a little bit too much for this video. Please let me know in the comments if I missed something or if I just gave too much info and now you're completely overwhelmed. So just take the 4 steps, 4, 5? I think about 5 steps, right? Oh my god, I forgot the steps.